First glimpses of Savannah. Well, here's the trees I've been looking forward to. This is what I've been looking forward to, the trees. It's almost like as soon as we're in the town, the trees have changed.
I like the houses with the shutters as well.
Yeah.
All the shutters are so...
This is our house in Savannah. Louis, stop it. Louis! Hi there and welcome to Savannah. This next vlog comes to you from Savannah. We have rented a little house and we're here for 2 nights and we're really excited. We've just arrived. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening and I'm going to show you around. It's really cute. So this is the little entranceway as you come in. It's a seat, a little hallway, and that goes upstairs. There's a sitting room here with some chairs. All the windows have shutters and shutters from outside as well, and curtains, TV. I love this little cluster of tables there. TV, and there's lots of fireplaces in this house, and if you know me, you would know that fireplaces are my thing. And then we love all the wooden floors. Come through to the kitchen. I love the table runner. So we've got a dining area, got a kitchen, we've got a couple of little desks through here. We've got my husband.
I didn't come to the house.
No. Another fireplace, TV. We've got a big larder here, which we've just literally thrown everything into. A kitchen, which seems to be really well equipped, and they've left loads of things like kitchen roll, cleaning, that kind of thing. We do have a little courtyard out there, a little, what do you call it? Oh, my mind's gone blank, I'm tired. What do you call the porch thing? It is a porch, isn't it? Netted porch.
Not netted, but...
yeah, we've got a great big fridge freezer.
Screen porch.
And everything's got cute little things in.
Placemats.
Oh yeah, placemats. Should we quickly open the back door actually, babe? I love the kitchen. Yes, please.
It's 88 degrees outside still.
88 degrees, and it's
only 38% humidity.
Feels stuffy. I just love all the little extras, like the sledge, and the thing is, yes, this is the little porchway. There's some chairs. It's very warm out here, and you can hear all the bugs outside.
Keep those bugs out.
Yeah, just have a quick look. That's our back garden. You can see we've got neighbours. It's very cute. Let's keep those bugs out. They're loud bugs. And then let's head upstairs. Oh, what's through this door here? Is that a locked door? Oh no, it's like a maintenance cupboard. It's like dusters, light bulbs, ladders, sweeping, mop, hoover, that type of thing. Downstairs loo. I like the painted brickwork.
Is there a light there?
Yeah, I think so.
Might be
The loo's a loo though.
I like the little night lights they have.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, look at this. What's this artwork from? I don't know.
Metro Rail.
Right, let's...
Central Terminal.
Oh, is it? What's that got to do with Savannah? Oh, New York. Seems strange. Right, we go up the stairs. Very high ceilings, yeah, which I love. Let's do a faster pace. Here's the artwork. We've got... Oh, I opened that earlier on. Can't get into that now. This is our room. Got a big queen bed. We've kind of thrown our stuff in here. Another big fireplace, big mirror, a couple of poxy little wardrobes. We're not staying here very long though. We've got mirror, ceiling fans, lots of rugs on the floor, and then we've got a little shower room, just the 2 of us. There we go. I love all the wooden floors everywhere. Holly is very excited in this house. And then it's like all these little extra touches, like on the landing. Then the kids' room. Oh, Holly, you're in bed already?
You said we can't go out.
I haven't done my video though. There's the kids. Louis got his neck cushion on. And they're watching. What are you watching?
Captain America Civil War.
Captain America Civil War. That room is so cute. And then there's 2 doors to their bathroom. Aid, go through the other door. People. Yeah. And then their bathroom's really nice actually. It's more spacious than ours. They've got bath with overhead shower. Holly said to look out of here. Oh, you can just see the little houses. It's like our little house over there actually, isn't it? And that's their bathroom. That is, oh, what's in here?
That's
Is that just storage or, oh no. Oh, washing. Oh, I didn't see that. Washing machine.
already had.
And how do you tumble dry? And that's our little house. So that's the tour of our little house in Savannah. I hope you've enjoyed this. We are really tired. It's been a really long day. We started the day just after 8 o'clock on the road. We stopped for 3 hours for our Walking Dead tour and lunch. If you'd like to see that video, I'll leave the link below. That's what we got up to earlier on. Yeah, and then we finished, we got here about 8 o'clock, so it's been a very long day. Aid has driven about 500 miles through Tennessee and Georgia, and now we're just going to relax for the evening, ready to start our fun day in Savannah tomorrow. If you are new to my channel, please hit that bell button so you can get notifications when I upload my next videos, and I will see you soon. I'll see you in Savannah next time. Thank you, bye. This is definitely a breakfast with a view today. This place is so cute.
There on the left, y'all see that?
Oh yeah.
That's where Dr. King will deliver the I Have a Dream sermon in 1963.
It's so cute in here.